Oh yeah, there's no turning back now.
There's no turning back.
How old are you, man?
8.
You brave, dude.
I've seen kids, me and my cousin in Ohio, me and him just did this by ourselves, and he's 1 year younger than me.
Y'all
You did
crazy.
this already? What?
Yeah, but it was never this high.
No, it's really not. You good, Zach? It's not this high or it don't go this fast.
Are you okay? Give me my papa. I know.
Dude, I can see. I can see the famous building from I'm pretty sure that's the famous building. There.
Is it?
That's where Rich are. We own that building.
Yeah.
You were screaming. I didn't even scream at all.
I did. I wasn't prepared at all.
You're like, ah!
Pretty sure I got
You were screaming and I didn't even scream once.
How was it, guys?
It was great.
She screamed and I didn't even scream once.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I did. I was not prepared.